Imagine walking into your home and being greeted by technology that feels straight out of a science fiction movie. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 futuristic gadgets that are set to transform your everyday living experience. From smart assistants that anticipate your needs to appliances that clean themselves, the future is closer than you think. Let's take a journey through the innovations that will soon become part of our daily routines, making life more convenient, efficient, and even a little magical. Get ready to discover how tomorrow's technology will reshape your home, one gadget at a time. First up, smart mirrors are about to revolutionize your morning routine. These high-tech mirrors do more than just reflect your image. They display the weather, news updates, and even your daily schedule as you get ready. Some models can analyze your skin and recommend personalized skincare routines. Imagine adjusting your lighting for makeup or shaving with just a voice command. Smart mirrors seamlessly blend technology and convenience, making your bathroom a hub of information and style. AI-powered personal assistants are evolving rapidly. These devices go beyond setting reminders or playing music. They learn your habits, anticipate your needs, and even control other smart devices in your home. Imagine waking up to your favorite playlist, the coffee brewing automatically, and your calendar read aloud, all orchestrated by your AI assistant. With voice recognition and advanced learning, these assistants are becoming the central hub for managing your home's technology. Cleaning your home is about to get a lot easier with the next generation of robotic vacuum cleaners. These gadgets use advanced sensors and mapping technology to navigate your space, avoiding obstacles and thoroughly cleaning every corner. Some models even empty themselves and return to their charging stations automatically. With scheduled cleaning and app controls, you can maintain spotless floors without lifting a finger. The future of cleaning is hands-free and incredibly efficient. Smart refrigerators are transforming kitchens into high-tech command centers. These appliances come equipped with touchscreens, cameras, and connectivity to your smartphone. You can check what's inside without opening the door, get recipe suggestions based on your inventory, and even receive alerts when groceries are running low. Some models can place online orders for you, ensuring your kitchen is always stocked. It's a new era of convenience and efficiency in food management. Imagine windows that do more than just let in light. Augmented reality windows can display information, adjust tint for privacy, and even project scenic views from around the world. Whether you want to see the weather forecast or enjoy a virtual sunset, these windows adapt to your mood and needs. They blend seamlessly into your home's design, offering both functionality and a touch of futuristic flair. Keeping your home clean is about to become effortless with self-cleaning surfaces. Using advanced coatings and nanotechnology, these surfaces repel dirt, bacteria, and stains. Kitchen counters, bathroom tiles, and even doorknobs can stay spotless with minimal effort. This technology not only saves time but also promotes a healthier living environment by reducing the spread of germs. The days of constant scrubbing and disinfecting may soon be behind us. Good night's sleep is essential, and smart beds are here to help. These beds monitor your sleep patterns, adjust firmness, and even regulate temperature for optimal comfort. Some models can gently wake you up at the perfect time in your sleep cycle, ensuring you start your day refreshed. With integrated health tracking and connectivity to other smart devices, your bed becomes a personalized wellness center. Lighting in your home is getting smarter with voice-controlled systems. You can adjust brightness, change colors, and set moods with simple voice commands. These systems can also be programmed to follow your daily routines, gradually brightening in the morning or dimming at night. With energy-saving features and integration with other smart devices, managing your home's lighting has never been easier or more intuitive. Home security is taking a leap forward with the introduction of security robots. These autonomous devices patrol your property, detect unusual activity, and alert you to potential threats. Equipped with cameras, sensors, and even two-way communication, they provide peace of mind whether you're home or away. Some models can integrate with your smart home system, offering real-time updates and remote control from your smartphone. Smart faucets are making kitchens and bathrooms more efficient and hygienic. With touchless controls, you can turn water on and off with a wave of your hand. Some models can dispense precise amounts of water or adjust temperature automatically. These faucets help conserve water and reduce the spread of germs, making them a practical addition to any modern home. Breathing clean air is crucial, and intelligent air purifiers are here to help. These devices monitor air quality in real time, automatically adjusting their settings to remove pollutants, allergens, and even viruses. Some models connect to your smartphone, providing updates and recommendations for maintaining a healthy indoor environment. With sleek designs and quiet operation, they blend seamlessly into any room. Fitness is going high-tech with personalized home gyms. These systems use AI to create custom workout plans, track your progress, and provide real-time feedback. Some include interactive screens for virtual classes or trainers, making it easy to stay motivated. With compact designs and smart equipment, you can enjoy a full gym experience without leaving your home. Bringing nature indoors is easier than ever with automated indoor gardens. These smart planters monitor soil moisture, light, and nutrients, ensuring your plants thrive with minimal effort. Some systems can grow herbs, vegetables, or flowers year-round, providing fresh produce right in your kitchen. With app controls and sleek designs, indoor gardening becomes accessible to everyone, regardless of experience. Pet owners will love the new generation of smart pet care devices. From automated feeders to interactive toys and health monitors, these gadgets ensure your furry friends are happy and healthy. Some devices can dispense food on a schedule, track activity levels, and even allow you to interact with your pet remotely through cameras and speakers. It's peace of mind for pet lovers everywhere. Say goodbye to tangled cords with wireless charging furniture. Tables, desks, and nightstands now come equipped with built-in wireless charging pads for your devices. Simply place your phone or tablet on the surface and it charges automatically. This technology keeps your space tidy and ensures your devices are always ready to go. Bathrooms are getting smarter with the arrival of smart toilets. These high-tech fixtures offer features like heated seats, automatic flushing, self-cleaning, and even health monitoring. Some models can analyze waste for health insights or connect to your smartphone for personalized settings. It's comfort, hygiene, and technology combined in one essential appliance. Entertainment is becoming more immersive with interactive home systems. Think smart TVs with gesture controls, virtual reality setups, and surround sound that adapts to your preferences. These systems can recommend content, adjust settings automatically, and even sync with your lighting for a cinematic experience. The future of home entertainment is all about personalization and engagement. Cooking is getting an upgrade with smart kitchen appliances. From ovens that recognize recipes to dishwashers that optimize water usage, these gadgets make meal prep and cleanup easier than ever. Some appliances can be controlled remotely, send notifications when your food is ready, or even suggest new recipes based on what you have at home. It's a chef's dream come true. Managing your home's energy use is easier with smart energy management systems. These platforms monitor electricity consumption, suggest ways to save energy, and can even automate usage based on your habits. Some systems integrate with solar panels or smart thermostats, helping you reduce costs and your environmental footprint. It's a win-win for your wallet and the planet. Smart windows are changing the way we interact with natural light. These windows can automatically adjust their tint to block glare, improve insulation, and even generate solar power. Some models can be controlled via smartphone, allowing you to customize your environment for comfort and energy efficiency. It's a bright idea for modern homes. Personal health monitors are becoming a staple in smart homes. These devices track vital signs, activity levels, and even sleep quality, sending data to your phone or healthcare provider. Some can alert you to potential health issues or suggest lifestyle changes. With continuous monitoring, you can take charge of your well-being like never before. Security and convenience come together with smart door locks. These locks can be controlled via smartphone, voice command, or even facial recognition. Grant temporary access to guests, receive alerts when doors are opened, and never worry about losing your keys again. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in home security. Laundry Day is getting a makeover with automated laundry systems. These machines can sort, wash, dry, and even fold your clothes with minimal input. Some models use AI to select the best settings for each load, saving time and energy. With app controls and notifications, managing laundry becomes almost effortless. Start your day right with a smart shower. These systems allow you to set your preferred temperature, water pressure, and even play music or news while you shower. Some models can track water usage and suggest ways to conserve. It's a luxurious and eco-friendly upgrade for any bathroom. Connected home hubs are the brains behind your smart home. These devices link all your gadgets together, allowing you to control lighting, security, entertainment, and more from a single interface. With voice commands and app integration, managing your home has never been more seamless or intuitive. Automate your home ambience with smart curtains and blinds. These window treatments can open and close on a schedule, respond to sunlight, or be controlled remotely. Some models even adjust based on room temperature, helping to save energy and keep your home comfortable year-round. Smart speakers are more than just music players. With built-in voice assistants, they can answer questions, control other smart devices, and even help you manage your schedule. Some models offer high-fidelity sound and multi-room audio, making them a versatile addition to any home. Keep your home comfortable and energy efficient with smart thermostats. These devices learn your preferences, adjust temperatures automatically, and can be controlled from your phone. Some models provide energy usage reports and suggest ways to save on heating and cooling costs. Smart plugs make it easy to control any device in your home. Plug in lamps, fans, or appliances and control them via app or voice command. Set schedules, monitor energy usage, and even turn devices off remotely for added convenience and safety. Protect your home from water damage with smart leak detectors. These sensors alert you to leaks or flooding in real time, helping you prevent costly repairs. Some models can even shut off the water supply automatically, giving you peace of mind whether you're home or away. Safety is a top priority, and smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors offer advanced protection. These devices send alerts to your phone, provide voice notifications, and can even integrate with other smart systems to unlock doors or turn on lights in an emergency. Parents can rest easy with smart baby monitors. These devices offer high-definition video, two-way audio, and even monitor room temperature and air quality. Some models provide sleep tracking and alerts, ensuring your baby's safety and comfort at all times. Transform any room into a theater with smart home projectors. These compact devices offer high-resolution visuals, wireless connectivity, and can stream content from your favorite apps. Some models include voice control and automatic focus, making movie nights more enjoyable than ever. Smart sensors are the unsung heroes of home automation. They detect motion, temperature, humidity, and even light levels, allowing your home to respond automatically. For example, lights can turn on when you enter a room, or heating can adjust based on occupancy. These sensors make your home more responsive and energy efficient. Keep an eye on your home with smart cameras. These devices offer high-definition video, night vision, and motion detection. Some models include facial recognition and can send alerts directly to your phone. With cloud storage and remote access, you can monitor your home from anywhere. Communication within your home is easier with smart intercom systems. These devices allow you to talk to family members in different rooms, see who's at the door, and even leave video messages. Some models integrate with your smartphone, making it easy to stay connected throughout your home. Centralize your home's information with smart displays. These screens show calendars, weather, news, and can control other smart devices. With voice assistants and touch controls, managing your home's technology is just a glance away. Some displays can even show security camera feeds or video calls. Lighting panels are getting smarter and more stylish. These modular panels can be arranged in custom patterns, change colors, and respond to music or voice commands. They add a modern touch to any room and can be programmed for different moods or activities. Create the perfect atmosphere with smart aromatherapy devices. These gadgets diffuse scents based on your preferences or schedule, and some can be controlled via app or voice command. They help set the mood, promote relaxation, and even improve sleep quality. Enjoy cleaner water with smart filtration systems. These devices monitor water quality, filter out contaminants, and can alert you when it's time to change filters. Some models connect to your phone, providing real-time updates and ensuring your family always has access to safe, clean water. Make recycling easier with smart home recycling systems. These devices sort waste automatically, compact recyclables, and provide reminders for collection days. Some models even track your recycling habits and offer tips for reducing waste, helping you live a more sustainable lifestyle. Accessibility is improving with smart assistive devices for the home. These gadgets help people with mobility challenges control lights, doors, and appliances using voice commands or specialized interfaces. They promote independence and make daily tasks easier for everyone. Stay ahead of home maintenance with smart alert systems. These devices monitor appliances, HVAC systems, and even plumbing, sending notifications when maintenance is needed. By catching issues early, you can avoid costly repairs and keep your home running smoothly. As we've seen, the future of home living is filled with incredible gadgets designed to make life easier, safer, and more enjoyable. From smart mirrors to security robots, these innovations are just the beginning. As technology continues to advance, our homes will become even more connected and responsive to our needs. Embracing these futuristic gadgets means embracing a lifestyle of convenience, comfort, and endless possibilities. The future is arriving sooner than you think. Are you ready to welcome it into your home?